2011 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, fog lamps, fourth passenger door, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.